Hello and welcome. Let's practice English together with a new shadowing story. Just listen, pause, and repeat after me. Copy the words, the rhythm, the mood. You're doing great. Every minute is progress. Are you ready? Let's move to a new apartment together. Last weekend, I moved to a new apartment. Boxes, bags, more boxes, everywhere. My life packed into 100 cardboard squares. The day started early. I woke up, looked around, and realized I had way too much stuff. Where did I get all these coffee mugs? Do I even drink that much coffee? My friend Jake came to help. He looked at my boxes and said, "Moving, proof that you own too much stuff." We both laughed. We started with the kitchen. Plates, pans, forks, and one mysterious spoon. Jake asked, curious, "Why do you have 3 cheese graters?" I said, "Backup plan, in case of a cheese emergency." Loading everything into the car was like playing Tetris, except the prize is back pain. The new apartment looked bright and empty. I loved it. Clean walls, big window, the smell of new beginnings, and a little paint. First, we moved the boxes inside. The neighbor's cat watched us from the hallway. She looked like the boss of the building. I said hello, but she just blinked, like, "Welcome, human. Don't mess it up." We started unpacking. Jake opened a box labeled Important. Inside, socks, a rubber duck, and my old school ID. He laughed. Very important, obviously. Time for the furniture challenge. The couch was heavy. The bookshelf was taller than Jake. We carried them up the stairs, one step at a time. Halfway up, Jake said, "If we survive this, pizza's on you." When everything was inside, we took a break. We sat on the floor, no chairs yet, drinking water and talking about new beginnings. The best part? Setting up the Wi-Fi. It took an hour and 3 phone calls, but finally, connected. Next, I tried to put together a lamp. The instructions looked like a puzzle for geniuses. I ended up with 2 extra screws and a lamp that only worked if you sang to it. Modern technology. The doorbell rang. A neighbor stopped by holding a pie. "Welcome. We have a few rules here. No parties after midnight, no loud music, and always say hi to the cat." That evening, I stood by the window, watching the city lights. It felt a little strange, a little lonely, but also exciting. I called my parents. They said, "Don't worry if it doesn't feel like home yet. Soon your new place will have your own mess, your own stories, and your own weird smells." Before bed, I sat on my new couch, ate pizza with Jake, and felt grateful. Moving isn't easy, but it's a chance to start fresh. If you're moving, changing cities, or just starting something new, remember, it's okay to feel lost. It's okay to ask for help. Now listen again and repeat after me. Every time you practice, you're building your own language apartment, step by step. Leave a comment. What was the hardest or funniest part of your last move? or tell us about something weird you found while unpacking. See you in the next shadowing story. Keep moving forward. You're stronger than you think.